Ipsy. There's just going to be one Ipsy video for this month. There was an issue with the billing, so I just left it at the one. So we're going to be opening the one that was sample sizes. Let's go ahead and get everything put out here. So first off, this was my choice. This is one of those like washing headbands. This is super soft. I do see fluff kind of going everywhere, but this is super soft and I like the colors. So I went ahead and got another one of these. I like to use them when I'm like washing my face and doing skincare and makeup. So that is the first thing that I got in here. Then the bag itself kind of looks like this. It's a little bit squished from being in the mail, but that is the May bag. So let's see what all I actually have in the bag. So let me go ahead and get out my handy dandy thing that tells me. So the first thing in here is the First Aid Beauty Eye Duty Niacinamide Brightening Cream. It says, got dark circles, meet your new must-have eye cream. It's filled with peach micro pearls that help color correct dark shadows and draw light to your under eyes on contact. So apparently it's just supposed to brighten the under eye, so that will be interesting to test out. The next thing that I have in here is going to be this right here. It is the Innisfree Daily UV Defense Sunscreen, Broad Spectrum, SPF 36. And it says, this water-based facial sunscreen is so lightweight and undetectable on the skin, you wouldn't believe the high level of protection and skincare benefits it helps deliver. It calms and hydrates the skin with Sika sunflower seed oil and soothing green tea. So this is a sunscreen. I am curious what this smells like. Like, there are certain sunscreens I really like the smell of, so let's see. Let's put a little on my hand. Ooh. Okay, so this is one of those sunscreens that it really has that, I don't know if saying that sunscreen smell is going to make sense to anyone, but it's got like that genuine sunscreen smell that I really like. It just reminds me of the beach and everything. So I really like that. That smells really nice. Next up in here is the Velvet Skin Cream Blush from Ciate London in Cheeky. It says, give your cheeks a pretty pink glow just in time for spring. This creamy blush is not only buildable and blendable, but also has a good for you ingredients like hydrating hyaluronic acid and brightening vitamin C. So generally speaking, I'm not a huge fan of cream blushes, but let's see how pigmented this guy is. I'm just going to pop a little on the back of my hand there. And just pat that in. Okay, so it's not bad. I don't know how well you guys can see that. I would say it has a very similar tone to the hoodie I have on right now, or to the box that it's in. I don't know if you guys can actually see it, but it's not too bad. I think that I could use this. So there's that. And then the last thing in here is So Rich Single Highlighter in Glow Light. It says, looking for that extra oomph in your makeup routine. A few swipes of this highlighter and you'll get that luminous, radiant glow of your dreams. Sweep over the high points of your face, your cheeks, brow bones, and cupid's bow. So let's see what the pigmentation of this is. This one has tape on it, so let me just go ahead and get that off. Okay. Like, I'm breaking down trying to get this tape. And I don't know why I don't like keep scissors or something sitting around when I'm doing these videos, but alright, there we go. Alright, let's see. So this is very like clear kind of looking, but let's see. So that is kind of what it looks like. Let's put it on the back of my hand. It blends pretty well. It looks really glittery though, so if you're into like a glitter highlight, you would like this, but if you don't care for glitter, you might not be too into this. But yeah, that is all of the things in this particular box. or bag rather. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!